I'll show you how you can appear offline or go into offline mode in Facebook. Do keep in mind that this is only available in desktop as of now. On desktop, you want to go to facebook.com and then you want to go ahead and go to Messenger here. On Messenger, you want to go ahead and click on the three dots icon here. And on the three dots icon here on active status on, you want to click on this. On here, you want to go ahead and toggle this off. Once you toggle this off, you will appear offline to everyone else. But the trade-off with this is that you won't be able to see when everyone else is online or offline as well. So it's a one-way mirror, so it's pretty fair for everyone else. From now on, you will appear offline to every other people you know, and they will appear offline to you as well. If you want to turn it back on, just toggle it back on again, of course. You can also do active status off for some, so you can make it so that you appear offline to only some people, and you can also make it appear that you're online for some people as well. Depends on your preferences.